Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Please make sure the machine is turned off when replacing the battery to avoid accidents. Open the phone's back cover along the edge of the slot. Remove the old battery from the phone. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Make sure the positive and negative terminals on the battery match the connectors. Restore the phone back cover. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.